Hello, friends. Welcome to my slow podcast. Today, I will talk about my visit to the park. Yesterday, I went to the park with my sister. The weather was nice. It was sunny and cool. We saw green trees and colorful flowers. Children were playing on the swings and slides. Some people were walking. Others were sitting on benches. I saw a man walking his dog. The dog was very cute. We brought snacks and water. We sat on the grass and ate together. It was quiet and peaceful. I felt happy and relaxed. The park is a great place to enjoy nature